where are all the straight boards? Wait a minute. I'm pretty sure I can put concrete on that. If you're new to the channel, this is a silly little series I like to call I Can Put Concrete in That. It's a ridiculous series of videos where I try to put concrete in or on something and try to do something cool or stupid. And today is no exception. We are going to use composite decking for its wood grain to make some cool plank stepping stones that look like wood, but they're actually made out of concrete and will never rot. So let's start by cutting some parts. Cut 4 planks at 36 inches. Out of melamine, I cut 8 sides at 2 inches by 36 3/4 inch long, and 8 ends at 2 inches and 6 1/8 inches long. Now that we've got all of our parts cut, now we can just assemble the box. And I like to do kind of like this star pattern, so that way I don't have to cut my pieces to the exact length. Then I just screw everything together with 1.5 inch screws. After the melamine box is screwed together, I'm just going to seal all the corners with 100% silicone. A handy little trick when working with 100% silicone caulk: spray it down with some foam glass cleaner. When you run your finger down the edge to round the corners off, makes cleanup so much easier. The silicone won't stick to anything that has the glass cleaner on it. Obviously, you don't have to make 4 of these, but it was a 12-foot plank, so why not? Also, if you have a lot of these to make, this is going to be much more productive for you. Speaking of productive, as per usual, I'm going to use the Rapid Set Mortar Mix in tandem with the plasticizer flow control to give it that pancake batter flowiness. You can use whatever you want. You don't have to use the Rapid Set Mortar Mix. But if you don't use Rapid Set, I highly suggest making these forms so that the stepping stone is going to be at least 1.5 inches, and you're going to have to wait a couple days before you demold each batch. But if I've done my math right, this is going to be exactly 1 bag of Rapid Set Mortar Mix. So I'm very curious to find out if I'm right. Quarts of water. I'm very upset right now because I just now realized that I could add a brown pigment to this, making it very easy to make it look like wood. And I've already put it in the water! Alright, now let's give it a more pourable consistency like pancake batter with the flow control. This is my favorite part. This part never gets old. It's like magic. All right, let's see how my math is. Reinforcement. Ha! Exactly 1 bag of mortar mix. All right, in 1 more hour, I'm gonna do that all over again. I think I'm gonna make about 4 or 5 batches. And since I'm using the Rapid Set Mortar Mix, I should be able to get that all done today. But it's gonna be a long day. Nice! Oh, I love the way the wood grain came out. I think this is gonna work. Anyway, I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to stain these nicely and properly set them, but I ran out of time. Plus, I'm gonna do a whole patio over here, and then I'm gonna set these up in the pattern I want, which I haven't landed on yet, so. As you can see, with a project like this, the possibilities are endless. You can set these up in any pattern you want. You can do something classic or get funky with it. But I would love to see what you guys come up with, so tag me on Instagram, Michael Builds Community. Let's see what you come up with.